Now let's go to some of the signs of aging. First is as the skin ages, you develop certain growths on the skin because the elastic tissue breaks down, especially on the neck, in the axilla, in the groin, and you develop some skin tags. And these 6 skin tags can be very easily treated. Some develop some growths, epidermal, this is called as a stuck-on appearance. Some people have it on the face, some people have it on the trunk. Some people have few, some people, depending on the familial tendency, some people have it in plenty. If it is too much, it could be even signs of certain internal cancer. So when it is too much, you have to go and see a dermatologist. This is just a close view of these growths. Now some people on the skin also develop certain growths of the blood vessels, and you will see some red spots. We call them as cherry spots. They look like this. You see, they are nothing dangerous. They are of cosmetic value. We can get rid of them if someone desires. The skin in the elderly also, develops purpura. Purpura is nothing but the bleeding underneath the skin. It happens in many people, especially more in the ladies. It is because the blood vessel of this become very fragile, and mostly it is because of the trauma. And it goes unnoticed, the trauma, but it doesn't require much of a treatment. It just clears off with it. The most common thing, symptoms that develop with the aging skin is the itching. The itching is usually seen after 60 years of age. The skin becomes very, very dry because it cannot retain water. It evaporates and the skin becomes very dry. It becomes little fishy like this. And so moisturizing the skin is very, very important. You see, such a picture you will see on everywhere, usually more on the lower legs, upper extremities, and on the trunk also. But sometimes in the elderly, there may be just not itching, that it may be associated with pain, heat sensation. Some will say, I get cold sensation, heat sensations, because these are the levels of the neural stimuli from the superficial nerves on that, you see. So there are symptoms of senile pruritus, mean ages on 20, 30, 40, 50, as we are exposed to so much of environmental insults, like the ultraviolet, the pollution, you see. So there is a gradual degeneration of the skin. Look at the 20s, how the collagen is so turgid, and look at the 50s, it is nearly reduced to half. Everything get diminished with age. See the right side, the young and the old skin. The old skin looks dehydrated. Then there are due to the constant UVB exposure, it worsens with stress, with pollution, lack of sleep, ultraviolet, toxins, and even with gravity. With the age, the whole fat starts flowing down. See the same person when she's in teens and when she's in 60. See the difference. This is all because of the changes in the collagen level. The same girl at a very young age, and see the wrinkling that you see. Now, what happens is when we are up to 20, 25, 30, our face is in a triangular face. You see, that's really gives us the beauty. And what happens to us when we are above 50 years, we turn into a square. And this is the process that we use when we deal with them.
हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा। हम बहुत रेगुलरली मनी मैटर्स, हेल्थ और एंटरटेनमेंट पर सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोस रिलीज करते हैं। यदि आप हमारे नए वीडियोस को मिस नहीं करना चाहते तो नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करें।